everybody, this is Bo and welcome to my new project. Let me introduce you to a 2023, this is Mercedes printer. I think this is a silver metallic color. I don't know what Mercedes call it, but it is a silver metallic color. Okay, this one and that one is very identical. The same 170 wheelbase, just different color. The options inside is very identical. You got this a electric brakes and electric hand brake, 10.25 LED touch screen. You have the driver assist. You have the heated, folded mirror, everything, leather seat, everything. Except this one. This one is a crew van. Okay, this one is a crew van, and look at this LED package in this one. Beautiful. Look at that headlamp, so nice. And it already has the step bar on both sides. Yes, both sides installed, and also this roof rack is already installed. This is Orion roof rack already installed, and one more thing I'm going to show you right now on the side. But this is beautiful, so beautiful. So my next project, this one is going to be a complete build, so it's going to be with me for the next at least 3 months. So take a look. Alright, look at that. Bench seat, windows on both sides, and this one already have the bug screens installed. Okay, so we are going to remove this. We're going to do the whole floor, everything, remove top. It's going to be a shower, it's going to be a heater, huge battery banks on this one, a lot of stuff. I can't think of everything because you can see, I'll show you right now, the back is full of materials, and that's not even everything yet. We still have more to order, and you know, all the woods, Home Depot and stuff, we haven't done that. So all right, check this out. It's full of stuff. Even the pneumatic, the AC unit, everything, solar panels, they're all here. I got a lot of work ahead of me, so you can see. All right, also bug screen on the back. Isn't that cool? Okay, so stay tuned, everybody. Follow me along with this project. It's gonna come out so nice. Oh, by the way, this is all-wheel drive. This is all-wheel 170 wheelbase. Okay, 4-wheel drive, 170 wheelbase. So it's very identical. All right, cool. Let's get the project going. You know, I also want to give credit to the owner. We didn't communicate much during this. You know, planning out van build. You know, searching for the materials can be stressful. So, and what I did was I let him think, you know, what do you need on, you know, to be done. What do you need in, you know, to put in the van? And here's the list. If you need what, a shower, what do you need to buy? If you need, you know, solar panels, what do you need to buy? So I just sent him the list and the links, and didn't follow up. You know, just one time I asked him, you know, what's missing, what's not. He said there's a few things, and from then, when he showed up, he got a van full of these things. These, you know, most of everything on the list is done. I just gave him credit for that. I thought that was awesome. Yep, stressful. Can be stressful, and it takes a long time to plan out exactly what you want, and you can't return anymore. So anyways, yeah, so that was cool of him. Alright, it's heavy hardware. Wow. And then on electrical wires. Right now I'm working on the insulation still. This is the second layer of, this is the reflective. So I have all the top ones done already. Now I'm taking off panels on both sides here so we can insulate inside these walls. As you can see, it's nothing. Okay, so my reflective is done. Only this window is left. I leave out that window because we still decide what kind of window we're gonna install, and then we're gonna put more around the windows. As far as glue, I'm using this for the reflective, the Gorilla Heavy Duty. This is all weather. Okay, it doesn't shrink, it doesn't crack, and it bonds really well. So far, this kind works for me. When I put on the drywall and later on we try to remove it, drywall cracks instead of the glue comes off and it's not easy to clean. So it works really well. On this project I used almost 3 tubes. This is a 170 wheelbase, so yeah, it's a lot of glue. So at least we got it going, and now the third round is going to be the 3M inlet. Everybody, I am done with the insulation with this van. 90%. I leave up the window and a little bit on the under this window here because of the bench seat. I'm going to remove that. So far, okay, if you are using the same 3M materials, the 170 wheelbase like this, it takes 60 linear feet. Okay, so 60 linear feet, this is how much I have left for that area and for that window, so it's perfect. Okay, For the 144, it takes 40 linear feet. So the 3M thin slit comes in 60 inches width. So yeah, so it's 40 feet for the 144, 60 feet for the 170. And that's it. That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed so far. And it's already nice and cool in here. Okay. After this, we are going to take a little break. Okay, from the van build. We're gonna do a little travel. I hope you guys following us along. Let's see where we're going, and then we'll come back. Next, I'm going to focus on the roof, starting from the roof, installing the AC, the fan, and then run all the lights and everything, run all the wires, and then before we start focusing on the ceilings and the wall panels here. So don't forget, follow me along, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. This is Bo. See you next time. Bye bye.